In today's climate of deplatforming, aka modern-day book burning and censorship, it's more important than ever to diversify your YouTube channel to alternate or alt-tech platforms, such as Rumble. This quick walkthrough will show you how to take a video you already saved to your local storage device, and upload it to Rumble. Once you have a Rumble account active, uploading a video is really easy. If you are using a script blocker or ad blocker, you should disable it on this site, at least while you're doing this. There is a big green button on the website's header which takes you straight to the upload page. Click that. Now, you can either click the big upload box and navigate to your video through your local file system, or you can drag the file from your file system and drop it on this box in your web browser. If you did it right, Rumble will start uploading the video right away, while you fill out the rest of the form. Type in a title for your video. Then type in a description. You will need to remember that Rumble requires the description to be completely unique. If any other video on the whole website has the same description, you will get a weird error when you try to upload. So make sure your description includes a unique timestamp or some random characters to avoid this problem. You can choose a thumbnail based on the uploaded video, or you can upload a picture of your own from your local storage. Enter some tags to make it easier to find your video. These tags are up to you. Be warned that at the time this walkthrough was written, Rumble does not provide a way to add or change these tags later on. Hopefully this will be fixed in the future. When you are ready, click the upload button. Well, there are more fields to fill out before you are done. First, click your licensing option. If you want your video to be publicly visible but you aren't worried about monetizing, you should pick the Rumble only option. If you do plan to monetize, please research the options before choosing a different one. You can always change this later. I will leave the optional fields to your discretion. Make sure to click the check boxes to agree to the terms and conditions. Otherwise you will not be able to proceed. As always, you should take some time to read them. Finally, when you click submit, it should start processing your video to add it to your Rumble content. If a little error message in red appears near the bottom of the page, there was some kind of problem, and your video isn't published. Read the message and see if it helps you resolve the issue. On Rumble it is easy to run into the duplication problem, so you can try going back to the previous page, changing the title and description, and submitting again. Uploading a video file to Rumble is just about as simple as uploading it to YouTube. Be mindful of the site-wide duplication issue and make sure your descriptions are unique, even if you have to enter random characters. Good luck with your Rumble channel.